Snuggles, come here. Yeah. So I take it you want to go inside. Uh-huh. You want to come inside? Is your paw hurting? Is your paw hurting? Snuggles. Is it hurting? Okay, put her down. All right, Snugs. Oh, is your paw still hurting?
Funny, you'd think it'd be finished and healed by
Yeah, it was perfectly healed yesterday. Nuggy Boo! Get her some cat food. Oh, that's good. She's good.
She is.
She's really good.
It was perfectly healed. I mean, yesterday and the day before, she was walking just fine. Oh, she is good.
Oh, there it goes. Okay. Wait, is she walking again? There, she's walking. Here, pull it out here so she has to walk to it. Okay. There you go, Snugs.
There you go, John. You're in the same room as her. She won't walk out. You know she's fine.
No.
Snuggles, you've been busted.
Oh, Snuggles.
Time to throw her